Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. We're going to talk about today how you're going to use private label rights videos, in particular on the subject of StreamYard. So let's talk about who the audience is for StreamYard videos. Basically, anyone who is a webinar creator, whether they're currently using StreamYard or not, these are going to be people who will benefit from learning how to use StreamYard and their particular plans. Anyone who's marketing on Facebook, because obviously you can broadcast in one place and to Facebook at the same time. It's one of those places that you can multi-stream to. YouTube marketers, because again, you can multi-stream to YouTube. Anyone who is a content creator, because it's a very easy way to use their record only feature in order to create content that is original, even if you're using someone else's videos. Anyone who is a nonprofit who needs to broadcast their message. I mean, they would be ideal to understand or to learn how to use StreamYard. Anyone who's a podcaster. It's a great way of being able to create a branded experience for your videos when you're doing a video podcast, in particular, being able to do interviews. Anyone who's a digital product creator, again, for all of the reasons that I said above, but being able to bring in other people and to be able to share your screen. And anyone who is a business owner or anyone who has an organization and they want to broadcast. So given that, how do you use StreamYard private label rights videos? There are a lot of ways. I'm going to zero in on a few. You can obviously take the private label rights videos and create a start to finish product on the subject of StreamYard. And again, one of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add in interviews to make yours unique. You can add in case studies. Whether you do the research or not, or have the research done, you could add in case studies and add in case studies for your particular market or niche. Also, you've already have a membership. Let's say that you've got a business related membership and you're trying to make sure you're adding value on a regular basis. Obviously, you can add in this course of StreamYard videos. You can make this dormant content. What I mean by dormant content is, in other words, your main content is going to be on one subject, but it's going to be one of these courses you're going to have in there by saying, I have another course on StreamYard if you need to know how to use it. In other words, it's not active in what you're presenting. It's dormant, only to be used when your customer who's inside of your membership needs to get that additional information. You're adding value to your customer. And of course, you can then stream them and make them available on demand inside of your membership. You can use the artifacts inside of a PLR video course, in particular one where you're getting the slides, you're getting the transcript. You can make those slides and transcripts into your own workshop. So let's say you're going to pre-sell the course and you're going to do it by creating a live workshop. You can use the slides and the transcript in order to create a workshop, right? And you can do that workshop live. And then obviously, depending on the rights of the course and the rights of the package, you can take those same slides, you can take that same transcript, and you can actually use them for creating your own YouTube video. Now, if you're looking for a PLR video course on the subject of StreamYard, you can get it right here at theplrshow.com/SYRD. And if you want to learn more about how to use PLR, you can find that at plrshow.com. With that, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.